If you've ever done a remodel, you know that countertop options are endless. So today we're going to break down the differences and help you find the right fit for your space and your lifestyle.
First up is solid surfacing. Now, solid surfacing is made of durable acrylic. These countertops are designed to withstand years of wear and can include an integrated sink with seamless installation.
They're resistant to stains, moisture, sunlight, and heat, and can be repaired with light buffing.
The cost ranges from about $50 to $75 per square foot, making them a super affordable option.
Next is marble. Marble is known for its natural beauty, and it's a great surface to create a timeless look.
The downside is because it's a porous surface, it can stain and etch. It needs to be resealed every 1 to 2 years, so it's ideal for a homeowner willing to make a commitment to maintenance.
Marble is heat resistant, but not as effective as some of your other options, meaning that thermal shock, discoloration, and burns are all possible.
The price point on marble is high. Expect to pay $120 per square foot.
Let's talk granite. This surface comes in a wide range of colors and variations and can be purchased in polished or matte finish.
Granite's natural beauty and extreme durability make it an ideal material for countertops. It resists heat, scratches, and stain, and requires no sealing.
Since it's non-porous, it also protects against mold and mildew. As for price, granite begins around $40 per square foot, making it another affordable option.
Okay, let's talk about wood. Not only does wood add a warm, inviting feel to any style kitchen, it can also be refinished numerous times and will age beautifully.
It's sanitary when properly sealed, heat resistant, and gorgeous when mixed with other surfaces. Most of us think of butcher block when we hear wood countertops, but there are other strong contenders like maple, mahogany, cherry, and madrone. Cost ranges from $30 to $100 per square foot.
Now, soapstone. Soapstone is a surface you don't hear much talk about, but it can be a cool option. It's dense and non-porous, but can be susceptible to scratches and nicks.
Small imperfections can typically be buffed out with sandpaper. There isn't as wide of a selection, as soapstone is typically found in only gray tones with varying veining patterns.
In terms of maintenance, experts recommend applying mineral oil occasionally to help disguise small surface scratches. It can be left out to age naturally or sealed for a darker, richer look. Expect to pay $50 and up per square foot.
Now let's talk about the difference between two very popular options, quartz and quartzite. Quartz is a man-made surface that's stain, scratch, heat, acid, and impact resistant.
It comes in a ton of colors and options, and it doesn't need to be sealed. This is a super practical, durable, and easy to maintain choice, making it a favorite for families with young children or a love for wine.
Quartz countertops are made of 93% crushed natural quartz blended with color pigments and plastic resins. Costs start around $70 per square foot.
Quartzite is an all-natural stone and needs to be sealed and resealed once a year. This stone is available in a variety of colors, tones, and variances in veining. This is the more expensive, high-maintenance sister to quartz.
Concrete is great if you want a more industrial look. It's extremely versatile and can take on many different colors and looks. Concrete countertops can be poured in place or fabricated off-site and installed later. Expect to pay $100 or more per square foot.
Pros are they're stain, heat, and water resistant when sealed, they're customizable in thickness, edges, color, and texture, and they're not your typical countertop surface. Seams can also be filled so it's one continuous surface.
Laminates. If you're looking for a budget-friendly countertop or a retro look, simple laminates keep costs in line with prices beginning around $5 per square foot. The material is fairly durable, but not heat resistant, making it an ideal material for something like a laundry room. Installation is relatively quick, which also helps keep costs down.
With all the options on the market, it can be tough to know what material is best for you and your family.
We hope this information was helpful in helping you choose your ideal surface.
For more home tips and resources, subscribe to our newsletter at howtohome.com and follow us at howtohome_guide.